All right, guys. Um, Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another analysis on NASDAQ and US30. So, as usual, as we always do, um, gonna be going back straight to basics as it is in mapping out certain zones. But this time, we're not gonna move far out, so far out. Um, so yeah, last week was a really good week. I think. We had really decent setups in terms of just seeing um, changing character with NASDAQ. As we thought we would see a continuation in the bullish um, movement with hitting all-time highs, but we saw NASDAQ do a bit of a swing back into a really key area and zone on the charts. Looking at the weekly uh, time frame. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's pretty much enough. And let me change to there. Replacing my trend line. Just make sure I get everything even out. And then I'll go straight into daily. Um, the specific zone that I'm trying to find. Just double check and see if you're not missing any opportunities. Okay, not seeing any. So right now I'm just placing in my zones, um, just so that we give a bit of uh, directional view in where charts are going to be kind of just like moving within the markets. Uh, yeah, so if you guys want to find out more about what I'm actually currently doing now, I do have a course as I can actually give you a full in-depth of exactly what I'm actually doing as is. So I just want to actually just rectify something because I know, okay, the daily, this thing will change on, into the 4 hour. There's an area that I'm trying to find here. Okay, that's not sure. I think it's not. Let's see it. All right. So currently, as we're viewing as is, looking uh, much on a much on a much higher time frame, you're seeing higher highs and higher lows being created, but areas that are being actually retested. So it's kind of like ranging within this area. So starting from here, we saw price come up to this level, retest and come touch up top here. But price came and then hit this weekly high that we have up top here, and then broke down and came below this area, which is a daily zone. So what we could possibly be anticipating moving forward into the week, if we zoom in onto just the 1 hour, we could potentially be seeing a little bit of upward motion pushing straight upwards, or maybe price coming through and then rejecting this trend line, this support trend line here on this angle, and touching this weekly line here, which is going to make price continuously keep maybe pushing up. So what we'll see is this so price coming through here, and straight straight price coming in, reaching this level as is, or we could maybe see price either breaking this this level and coming straight down here, and then maybe creating let me do this. So it's either two situations. We could see price come in and shoot up top here, or it could break this trend line, and then you could see a continuation where retest could come up top here and hit, and then create lower lows and lower highs going into the week ahead. So these trade policies that are happening in the US are kind of really causing a lot of like disturbance within the markets. That's why on Friday we saw a lot of bearish momentum creep in, which is around here. So we saw a lot of like bearish momentum creep in where price instantly just sank. So looking forward into the week, depending on how things actually go about within government as well to being addressed, and also um, core PCE and uh, Nvidia stocks and stock earnings are actually releasing as well too. Depending on the outcome of those two highlighted big news that I'll be looking for, we'll actually see on how things actually move about within the markets. But so far, I'm a bit neutral with NASDAQ. I think I'll be waiting a little bit more just to really see a bit of confirmation if we do see maybe a break of this trend line, or maybe just a little retest and indication and showing us some kind of like movement within this area. So yeah, um, I will be maybe sitting out a little bit for NASDAQ and just waiting to see how it plays out for the next maybe day or 2 days, and then just see if there's any opportunities that will actually be lucrative to enter. Um, US30. So US30 is kind of moving nice. We'll do a little bit of breakdown on this one. Um, so Let's just quickly actually place on our trend line first. Prevent doing all the other things. Trend line, yeah. Daily. Time frame. We're going to now jump in our areas. And see the testing happening. Snap movement around this way. Okay, I think that's enough. And zoom in onto the daily. So I did take a position on US30 last week, which was really great. Uh, right. So okay, I think that's fair enough. I'll actually cap it until here because US30, but actually you could possibly see if we do see that. Let me add in just a little more areas. So that will just help. Okay, so um with US30, all right, we're just gonna zoom in on the 4 hour quickly and then change that to 4 hour time frame. So with US30, I saw a triangular pattern actually forming. So this is what I was seeing. This is what I was seeing on the charts. And then we saw a really nice breakthrough where price had actually broken through. This happened on Thursday going to Friday. And I was waiting for breakthrough on this either is the resistance top or the support of this trend line. So what happened was is that I saw straight push here, waited for retest, and then price came out top here. I entered a little late, so my entry was like real just below this yellow line. So then price came and actually hit this so and so what we could be possibly expecting as well too now is that price could come back to this level right here. Because if you were to see here, I'm just going to take out my rectangular block. There's a massive, it's kind of really a very crucial area where price is tested multiple times already. So resistance, support, support, support. This broke through. Now we're going to be seeing a new resistance being formed as the new support was actually around this area, then a resistance, and then a continuation of price pushing straight down and coming to touch this trend line. So with US30, I'm going to be seeing like a little bit of like just actual decent movements. I wouldn't say um, maybe execute a trade today. Maybe wait for it until like maybe Thursday or so, and then just see on how everything actually plays out in the sense of just making sure that you can be able to wait for confirmation to actually see. Because one thing's for sure is that I feel as if price is going to come and then maybe just retest a little bit around this area just to give you a little bit of confirmation as is. And you'll see a lot of wick rejections within this area, and then it continues push down. And then that will give you straight confirmation that we're just heading to the downside. So I am seeing that around this area is also a very crucial zone because I am going to map it out quickly. Just zoom out on daily. See, price came, created resistance, broke through, new resistance support, then created new resistance up top here and rejected and pretty much was ranging within this all-time high that we was still in consolidation to, and then broke straight down, created support here, resistance on the same level, and came straight down, broke through, and then came to touch this resistance up top, yeah, which was pretty much close to the all-time highs and breaking through, but failed to break through, and then was just ranging around the zone, and then came back down to this level. So yeah, we could be seeing a little bit of either bearish or bullish movements in the sense that price could potentially either, if it does break above this level here, and we do see maybe a touch and testing out this level around here, and then a retest to in retesting this area here, and seeing maybe a bullish. So what I am talking about is if you see price come and then hit this area here, and then create a retest around this level, and then push it straight up again into maybe coming back to this area of the weekly high, then we could be seeing a lot much more upward momentum being pushed through. But I do think that it will also have to depend also as well too in terms of the data and the fundamentals that do get released during this week. So we'll just have to wait and see on how this week actually goes, and just wait to see if there's any setups that are going to be set up in a way that we could be either shooting up or and creating a bullish trend, or either a bearish trend, continuation of the bearish trend from Friday. So yeah, that's just my take on it. Just want to focus heavily a lot much more on Dow Jones and US30. I mean, Dow Jones, which is US30, and NASDAQ, which is US100. But we'll see on how everything actually plays out throughout this week moving forward. Yeah. I hope this information has been helpful. just in terms of just mapping out these key zones that choose to look out for. And I do have an Instagram page as well too. We do have an Instagram page. Check out our Instagram page as well too. And as well too, in the highlights, you can be able to come through and join our free community group. This is just where you can be able to also just get like the real updates on just how some of the trades that I'm looking forward into trading, and also just sharing through some knowledge as well too. I do have the course that's also available if you do need to actually be part of the course, which is 2,500, which is 170, $137, and you can be able to just make sure to get in contact with us and DM us if you want to actually be part of the course, and we can take you through everything through introduction of financial markets, technical analysis, trading psychology, fundamentals, bonds trading strategies, which include indicators and trading tools, and also the VIP community group as well too. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one. Cheers.